Why did the king's crown make everyone sneeze? Once upon a time, a king wore a shiny red crown, but whenever he put it on, everyone around him sneezed. People thought it was magic. They tried to solve the mystery. One day, a little girl noticed something. The crown had tiny red flowers on it. These flowers made people sneeze. The king laughed and said, "No more sneezing." He replaced the flowers with shiny stones. Everyone was happy. And the twist? The flowers were just painted on. Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.